Welcome back. Today we dive into the world of mechanical keyboards as we count down the top 10 mechanical keyboard models that every enthusiast should know about. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or simply love the satisfying clickety-clack of mechanical switches, these keyboards will surely pique your interest. So, let's get started. Number 10. Ducky 12 Mini. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the Ducky 12 Mini. This compact keyboard has gained immense popularity among enthusiasts for its 60% layout and high build quality. It features customizable RGB lighting, a detachable USB-C cable, and a range of Cherry MX switches to choose from. The Ducky 12 Mini offers a premium typing experience in a compact form factor.
Number 9. Keychron K6. Moving on to number 9, we have the Keychron K6. This versatile keyboard caters to both wired and wireless users, making it a favorite among those who value portability and flexibility. The Keychron K6 offers hot swappable switch sockets, allowing users to easily customize their typing experience. With its sleek design and compatibility with various operating systems, the Keychron K6 is a great choice for those on the go. Number 8. Varmilo VA87M. This keyboard is renowned for its exceptional build quality and attention to detail. The Varmilo VA87M comes in a variety of beautiful keycap options, allowing users to add a touch of personalization to their setup. It features a sturdy aluminum case, Cherry MX switches, and a detachable USB cable. With its elegant design and premium feel, the Varmilo VA87M is a top choice for keyboard enthusiasts. Number 7. Leopold FC660M. Moving up the list to number 7, we have the Leopold FC660M. This compact keyboard offers a compact layout without compromising on functionality. It features a durable plastic case, high-quality PBT keycaps, and Cherry MX switches. The Leopold FC660M is known for its minimalistic design and excellent typing experience. If you like compact keyboards, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 6. HHKB Professional 2. This iconic keyboard has gained a cult following for its unique layout and talker switches. The HHKB Professional 2 features a compact design, high-quality keycaps, and a sleek, professional look. It's highly regarded for its comfortable typing experience and has become a favorite among programmers and enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Drop Alt. This keyboard from Drop, formerly Massdrop, combines a minimalist design with high-end features. The Drop Alt offers a sturdy aluminum frame, hot swappable switch sockets, customizable RGB lighting, and a range of switch options, including popular ones like Cherry MX and Kale. With its clean aesthetic and versatility, the Drop Alt has become a go-to choice for many keyboard enthusiasts. Number 4. Razer Huntsman Elite. Razer is a well-known name in the gaming industry, and their Huntsman Elite keyboard lives up to the hype. It features Razer's proprietary optomechanical switches, which offer a lightning-fast response time. The keyboard boasts a full-sized layout, customizable RGB lighting, and a comfortable wrist rest. If you're a gamer looking for a high-performance keyboard, the Razer Huntsman Elite won't disappoint.
Number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro. Moving closer to the top of our list, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro. The Apex Pro is a gaming keyboard that offers a unique feature, adjustable actuation switches. With SteelSeries OmniPoint switches, users can fine-tune the actuation point to their preference, allowing for a truly personalized typing or gaming experience. The keyboard also features customizable RGB lighting, a sturdy aluminum frame, and a magnetic wrist rest. Number 2. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. At number 2, we have the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Corsair is a well-established brand in the gaming peripheral market, and the K95 RGB Platinum is a flagship mechanical keyboard in their lineup. It features a full-sized layout with dedicated macro keys, customizable RGB lighting, and a comfortable detachable wrist rest. The K95 RGB Platinum is built to withstand heavy gaming sessions and offers a premium typing experience with Cherry MX switches. Number 1. DOS Keyboard 4 Professional. Finally, we've reached the top spot on our list, and it goes to the DOS Keyboard 4 Professional. Known for its exceptional build quality and professional-grade performance, the DOS Keyboard 4 Professional is a favorite among typists and programmers. It features a sleek, minimalist design, high-quality mechanical switches, and a built-in USB hub. The DOS Keyboard 4 Professional offers a superb typing experience and stands as a symbol of mechanical keyboard excellence. And that concludes our countdown of the top 10 mechanical keyboard models. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in your search for the perfect keyboard. Let us know in the comments which keyboard caught your attention or if we missed any of your favorites. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy typing!